Yay! I got cash. I'm equipping it. No, I'm definitely not equipping it. No, I'm not. Okay, that's my 23. More epic. More money. I could skin. I gotta use mercy.
Hey, chill out.
I use me a little bit.
Shut down.
Yeah. I don't know what to do with this. What do I think about this plan?
Another? Gold.
Huh. 150 again. Beautiful. What is it gonna be again? A duplicate. Beautiful. Helix. I'll take that. I'll take that.
Unlock?
But we're gonna take it.
What happened with the legendaries?
Go. Cause it's. Ooh, I'll take it. That's cool.
Oh, that one's cute. What is it?
It's a Widowmaker pixel. Yes, I've been wanting this. Storm.
That looks like Hearthstone.
Yeah, that's Hearthstone.
She said.
Alright. A duplicate.
How embarrassing.
What does he say?
How embarrassing. I don't use wisdom.
Piece of cake.
I do. I do. I have nothing else in it.
No legendaries yet?
Ah, come on. Epic. What it is. An emotes. Yay. And $150.
150? That's 50.
Knuckles. Alright. I'll take that before when I get to try out room.
Legendary. Yeah, you got legendary. No? That's not legendary, right?
That's not legendary, it's a emote.
Oh, it's an emote? That goes well with your legendaries. Lucio skin.
Alright, I'm taking it.
Peace and blessings be upon you all.
Duplicate.
Oh my goodness, what I'm doing. A duplicate. Yay. Rockets, I'll take it. Oh, that's going the wrong way.
There you go. Legendary.
No, that's an epic.
That's an epic?
Why are you saying epic is a legendary? Epics are epics. Legendaries are legendaries. They have to look like something, not like this. They can't be like a ordinary person like this.
More special features?
Or special features that doesn't the classic version doesn't have. Like my shark bet, it has nothing like this thing. What's it going to be? No. I'm taking this.
Okay.
What she said.
Okay.
How many boxes do you have left?
10.
10 boxes, no legendary.
I only have one. I just forgot.
Looks like you need a timeout.
Looks like you need a timeout. Should I buy it or not? Alright. Why am I doing this? Alright! Yay! I always wanted a diamond in the sky, Bastion. Why I'm doing this? Why I'm doing it? Bert, did I equip this last time?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Here comes your legendary.
An epic! Ooh, dragon. I already know it was a dragon. That looks pretty cool.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm equipping it. I'm equipping it. Do you know why? Because I have the dragon there.
Oh, nice.
That's why it's called dragon. I'm not equipping this.
You have a better one, right?
I have a better one than that. Has tattoos more.
Hey, look, you have 1,000 gold now.
Ah! I'm spending it. I'm spending it. When I'm done doing this, I'm spending it on legendaries. Reinhardt.
Look at your gold again.
Yay! Beth. Fine. Let me see what barrels changed to red. You remember your barrels changed to red, Daddy?
Yeah.
That's the skin you got. You for Mystery Man. After. Ooh, what's this emote? I like it. I don't even use.
What's that?
I'm taking it. Looks hilarious. Keep calling Tracer on. Alright. Over the shoulder. Over the shoulder. Alright.
How many left?
6 more to go.
Where are those?
A legendary! Oh! Yeah! Lone Wolf! Finally! I always wanted it.
Mommy's coming.
Mommy! Look what I got! To spoil your videos of life.
Cool.
I have the white version in the beta, but I can't get it anymore. But at 24. I was sitting here all day for a legendary. I got 2 legendaries. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hanzo.
15 boxes you have to open for one?
Yeah.
He has 4 left.
You look like you've seen a ghost. Wade Winston's beautiful face. I already have one.
Maybe you can get it in the last one.
You done? I'm taking it.
Are you?
I think barefoot I am. What the? Alright, mud has to go with the other one, the epic. Cause that doesn't look mud. That doesn't definitely look like mud, but I'm equipping it. I admit I have so many Roadhog skins.
That was your last box? 50.
The retro player icon.
Last box.
Shoot, nope. I think when you don't equip it, you could like sell it to another player or another. Yeah. So I'm not going to equip it. Last box. Definitely nothing. Just money.
Not bad, but I sure as hell ain't ugly.
Where is it? Your face looks weird.
No.
Where is it?
I'm not ugly. But you're sure as hell I'm not ugly.
And you have no more loot boxes.
No! Can I take over your computer?
Are you gonna buy something?
Yep, I am. Go to Reinhardt's.
What's the one in the bottom?
Oh, Stoneheart. It's a stone version.
This one's better.
Oh my goodness. Maybe. I bet Sahidi's gonna get hype after I get one of these.
Probably.
Which one looks better?
I like
The gold one.
me too.
But it still has that.
It's lion.
But it's still the same one from this one.
Yeah, but it looks cooler. He has no helm. See, he has a helmet here. But he has no helmet.
He has the line on the chest.
And you can use the lion.
Screw it, I'm getting Blackheart.
Alright.
Huh? Pursue it. I could buy more money.
Welcome to life.
A brokenness. This one also doesn't have no helmet. Blackheart. Wait, I want to see these things. Wait, I have a skin. I have a skin for him. Oh, this. Yeah, I forgot about that. And not that. Wait. Just wait. I want to see something.
You gotta believe.
I think you're the only 7-year-old that plays Overwatch.
Hey, look. It looks cool with this.
Yeah.
Alright, now.